Hi, I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com, and in this video we are going to learn about factorization. And in factorization we are going to learn about the factors which are of the form a variable with a constant, the same variable with another constant. This is what we are going to discuss in our today's video. Now we move ahead, but before moving to our today's topic, we'll try some warm-up questions. Here are the questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So basically in question number 1, you need to factorize the given equation. So for the first equation, we can write it in the form of 2x whole square plus 3 whole square plus 2 times 2x cross 3. So this is a formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which could be rewritten as a plus b whole square. Similarly, we can find the answer of the second one, that would be 4x minus 12 whole square. So this is the answer of question number 2. Now we move ahead to our today's topic, which is about the factors of the form a constant with a variable with the same variable a different constant. Because if there is a question, say if it is x plus a and x plus a, so this is same as x plus a whole square, which is same as x square plus a square plus 2ax. So if the constant are same and the variable are same, then that would be either of the form of x plus a whole square or x minus a whole square. But if the constant are different, we can find the factors in the form of x plus a times by x plus b. So now there is an example for you, and the example says y square minus 24y plus 80. Or we can say that it would be in the form of a y square minus plus b y plus c. So we can say that a is 1 here, b is minus 24 and c is 80. So now we need to think that how can we factorize 80 cross 1, which is 80 again, so that when we times those number we get 80, but when we add those number we get 24. So that would be in the form of, first we can use the LCM method. So we can find the LCM of 80, that would be 2 here, 40 here, it would be 2 here, 20 here, 2 again, it would be 10 here, 2 again, it would be 5 here, 5 here and 1 here. So that would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Or we can say that it would be form of 5 times 2 times 2, which is 20, and this is 4. So we can say that the factors of 80 would be 20 times 4. So when we times 20 and 4, that would be 80, and when we add them or subtract them, that would be 24. So we can write the equation in the form of y square minus 24y plus 80 as y square minus 20y minus 4y plus 80. So minus, add the minuses, minus 24. Now out of these two we can take y as a common, and we can write it as y minus 20, and out of these two we can take minus 4 as common, and we can again write y minus 20. So when using this formula, make sure that these two values should be the same. So now we can take y minus 20 as common, and we're left with y minus 4. So the answer is y minus 20 y minus 4, which is in the form of x plus a x plus b. So in this way we can find the answer. So we'll revise the step again. First of all, we need to find out the value of a, b and c. Then we need to do c multiplied by a. Then we need to find the factors of the answer in such a way that when we times those number we get the answer of c cross a, and when we add them or subtract them we get that the value of b. Now we move ahead, and there is another example for you, and this example says d square plus 13d plus 40. So here c is 40 and a is 1. So we need to find the factors of 40. So that would be 2 here, it's 20 here, it's 2 here again, that would be 10 here, it's 2 here again, that would be 5, and that would be 1. So now we need to think of the factors of 40 which will give us sum of 13 or difference as 13. So we can find it at 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 add the 5 is 13. So we can write 13 as d square plus 8d plus 5d plus 4d. Now out of these two terms we can take d as common, so that would be d plus 8, and from these two terms we can take 5 as common, that would be d plus 8 again. So d plus 8 is common and we're left with d plus 5. So the answer is d plus 8 times by d plus 5. In this way we can find the questions. Now we move ahead. Here are some practice questions for you. To try these questions you can pause the video. So you can pat your back as you're working really hard in finding out the factors when you're not getting the perfect squares, and you can match the answers with these answer slide. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.